Hello, friends. If you want to quickly and beautifully design your own newspaper, I have a ready-made newspaper template for you in Google Docs. In this video, I'll show you how to edit it. We'll replace articles, headlines, pictures, and more. I'll also share a couple of tips to make your newspaper look professional, so be sure to watch until the end and subscribe to the channel. Let's not delay. Let's get started. First, we need to download this template from thegoodocs.com. It's free, and I'll leave a link to it in the description below the video. Go to the website, find the Newspaper Templates section, select the New York Times template, and click the Download Template button. A copy will open in Google Docs, which we will work with. So the template is open, you already have a copy in Google Docs, and you can start editing. First, let's work on the header. I click on the newspaper name and write my own, The Daily Times. Right below it, we change the date, issue number, and price. I'll put in a recent date and pretend it's the first issue. It looks like a real front page. Now let's move on to the largest article. I'm changing the title and main text. I've already prepared the text and will just copy and paste it. You can do the same or write the article directly in the template by hand. Tip: to make sure the text looks neat and the formatting doesn't get messed up, paste it using Shift plus Control plus V. This will make everything fall into place and the template will remain perfectly formatted. Now let's change the main photo for the article and the caption below it. I left-click on the photo, click Replace Image in the upper corner, and upload my photo from my computer. You can also take a picture from your computer, Google Drive, or even from a search. Docs adjusts the size itself, so you don't have to move anything manually. Everything will fit perfectly. You can change the article on the right and the photo accompanying it in exactly the same way. While I'm doing that, here's a little tip on writing articles. For the front page, choose news that will immediately grab the reader's attention. It could be a major event in the city, an important update, or something unusual that will immediately make people stop and read. Try to keep the headline short and concise, and the first paragraph informative and interesting. This will make your article look professional and immediately attract attention.
At the very bottom, let's update the block with article previews. These are small announcements with links to the page. Page 1, Page 2, Page 3. I write short headlines in 1 or 2 sentences to make it look plausible, as if there really is a continuation inside. We have finished working on the front page and now move on to the next one. As you can see, it is divided into 3 articles. 1 large at the top, and 2 smaller ones at the bottom. For example, I'll show how to combine the 2 lower articles into a single 4-column layout. Let's start with the vertical dividing line that separates the articles into 2 sections. You'll need to reduce its height so it doesn't get in the way. By the way, this method can be used to resize any images or elements in the template. Select the vertical dividing line that separates the articles. In the drop-down menu, click the 3 dots and choose all image options. Go to Size and Rotation and uncheck Lock Aspect Ratio. Use the arrows next to the height field to decrease the height of the line to the desired value, combining the 2 articles into 1 seamless column. Done. Now we can add a new headline and insert the article text. Okay, and finally, I'll show you how to copy and delete pages to adjust the layout of your newspaper. For example, adding new articles or removing unnecessary ones so everything looks neat and balanced. To copy a page, just click on it or use your mouse to select all the content. Then press Ctrl plus C or Command plus C, go to a new page and paste it with Ctrl plus V or Command plus V. And that's it. You've got an exact copy. If you need to delete a page, select it the same way and press Delete. That's all. This way you can easily add new elements or remove ones you don't need, making your newspaper look exactly the way you want. Once you've finished putting together your newspaper and made sure all the articles, images, and columns are in place, it's time to save it for printing. In Google Docs, this is super easy. Just go to File, Download, PDF Document.pdf. This keeps all your layout and design intact, so your newspaper will look just like it does on screen. And that's it. Your newspaper is ready to go. The link to this free template is in the description below, so you can download it and start making your own additions right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. There's lots more fun and useful tutorials coming up.